your quick reaction, your initial reaction to what Mr. Mukherjee said in Parliament. Do you believe it's timid, as Mr. Sinha seemed to be suggesting?
No, I'll agree with NK that I don't want to get into characterizations of that. I think the finance minister had two very clear objectives going into this. He had to do something about the fiscal situation, and he had to address food inflation. He has addressed the whole agricultural food situation with what I believe is a slightly medium-term, long-term approach to fixing inflation. And he's also put out there a number of 4.6% in terms of fiscal consolidation. In my opinion, more important than the number 4.6%, it signals the fact that he will have to do a number of reform measures later in the year, including the vexed issue of diesel deregulation, to be able to get to 4.6%. So I'm okay with the budget. I'm okay with the budget. Doesn't derail growth, and it does affect some direction on both food inflation and the fiscal situation.
Right.
Do you want to respond to that? Do you believe that Parliament will pass these contentious legislations?
No, I unfortunately can't bring any party to the table, but I don't think it's as simple as both the finance minister has said or Sachin has mentioned. Bringing consensus is going to be a tough job. We've seen that the last 2 years there's been hardly any consensus on even the smallest of things. And I agree with NK that it really depends on the government on putting its best foot forward and creating an atmosphere for consensus around these critical, vital issues that are so important for the economy and the economic growth.